Look at all the colorful fruits, sweetie.
Wow.
This store is great. Look, over there. It's the cookies.
Yes, it is.
We see them.
Yay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Found everything on the list. We can head to the checkout whenever you're ready. Welcome to our supermarket treasure hunt. Here is your map. Store employee Lily handed Mike his official treasure map and explained the rules.
Yes.
I've found it. Huh? The first clue led right to the colorful fruit section.
We're so proud of you.
He's a natural detective.
Wow, look at those apples. They're so big.
They look fresh, honey. Let's see if they're on the list.
Yes, they are. Good eye.
I think it's over here.
We're almost there.
Looks like we're on the right track. Hidden right behind the red apples was the very first star sticker. Look what I got. It's so sparkly. Yes.
Bravo!
That's amazing.
We're so proud.
Clue number 2 pointed straight to the sweet bakery aisle. Clue number 2 pointed straight to the sweet bakery aisle. Smells so good in here. I've got my eye on the perfect one. There it was. Another sticker tucked near the flour bags. I found it. I found it. I found the treasure. Check here, buddy. Oh, I see it. Next, the map sent Mike searching through the dairy department.
Okay, I think you're getting close.
He's a natural. I got it. Ta-da! Right beneath a wooden puzzle box, Mike discovered the final sticker. Hooray! I have successfully completed the entire treasure hunt. I got it. I got it. But when Mike turned around to show his parents, they were gone. Wow! Oh, what is that? I have your request right here. Just signing off on this now. Right, all set. How can I help you today?
Excuse me, Lily. I can't find my parents.
Oh dear. Let's see what we can do. Oh, I hear you. It sounds like you're going through a lot. Take your time. Don't worry at all, Mike. You did the exact right thing coming here. Welcome. I'm ready to help you with your order now. Attention shoppers. Will the parents of 10-year-old Mike please come to customer service?
I can't believe it.
Let's go.
Keep up. We need to hurry.
I know. I see them ahead. Oh, hey, there's our little helper.
Wow. Hi, Bud. Hi, Mom, Dad.
They were so relieved and proud of Mike for staying so calm.
Yeah, he was so brave.
You scared me.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Never do that again. Come here. For staying calm and following safety rules, you earned a special award. There you go, little champion.
Wow, it's so shiny. So proud of him. He did it.
Good job, son.
We're so proud of you.
Yeah, I did it. To celebrate his success, the family stopped by the store juice bar.
Wow, look at all the choices.
What would you like, sweetie?
I'm so proud of you.
Me too, son. That's a great medal.
Thanks.
The fresh fruit smoothies tasted extra delicious after such an exciting adventure.
Cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Mike learned that knowing your safety plan helps turn scary moments into brave victories.
That's right.
Very good, sweetie. I found it. I really found it. Remember, staying calm and following your plan makes you a true hero.